Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to fix the image upload issue you might be having right here in WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already. And after opening it up successfully, guys, you'll be greeted by the main page, where in the upper right corner you want to get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and log into your account if you've not already, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page where at the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at, guys, how to fix the problem we might be having with uploading our images. So let's go say we're going to the media option right here at the left side screen, and we want to get started with adding new media, maybe some pictures from our PC, drive, doesn't matter. Let's say you cannot add any images because you keep getting error. This is what you can try, guys. Basically, here we have some 7 easy tips that we can follow for trying to fix this and what this can cause. So you can go ahead and read it in for deeper details if you want and for more depth, but basically I'm just going to run you through what you can do. Basically, you can reload the page or test with a different browser. So the first thing you might want to do is to go ahead and, let's say, open up a different browser such as Mozilla to test it out for yourself, or maybe open up incognito mode to see if it's still going to be happening on. So what this is going to enable you to, guys, to see if the problem is with your browser or the website, and that doesn't work, guys, then you can go ahead and clear your cache. So go into your settings option and clear your cache and history as well as your cookies, and then open up WordPress again. Go to media again and see if this will now allow you to upload your images. Sometimes the problem is just with your cache and cookies, so if that doesn't work, you can follow the other steps right here. Most often those are going to be the problem. So if your media is matching the size that is needed right here and you're not breaking any rules, then you just want to make sure the problem is not with your browser. If not, then you can go ahead and reupload the image through other options. You can rename the image file, clear your cache as I already told you, and there are more options. Check for plugin theme issues. Maybe some plugins you're using may be causing the issues because they are not updated, and so on. And you can also adjust the file permissions. Maybe the file from your PC doesn't have the option to be uploaded, and so on. So you want to make sure to follow all the steps right here to see if it's going to go ahead and help you get with your media. You can even increase the PHP memory limit to see if that's going to help you. So go ahead and check it out for yourself to see how to do it in deeper detail. Those are the basic steps you can follow. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.